In today's video, I'm going to teach you to add page numbers in Word. Whether you're preparing a school report, a business proposal, or a long manuscript, page numbers make your document easier to navigate and look more professional. The good news is that Word handles most of the work for you, and you can get clean, consistent numbering in just a few clicks. With your document open, move your attention to the ribbon at the very top of the screen. This is the horizontal toolbar that's organized into tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. Click the Insert tab. Insert is where Word keeps tools for adding elements to your document, such as pictures, headers, footers, and of course, page numbers. Once you're on Insert, look for the Header and Footer group in the ribbon. Inside that group, click the button labeled Page Number. When you click it, a menu drops down with several placement options. You'll see choices like Top of Page, Bottom of Page, and Page Margins. Top of Page places the number in the header area above your content, while Bottom of Page places it in the footer area below your content. Page Margins positions the number along the left or right edge, which can be useful for certain layouts or booklet-style documents. After you choose the placement that fits your document, Word will automatically add the page numbers for you. You'll also notice a gallery of styles when you hover over each option, such as plain numbers, numbers with lines, or numbers aligned left, center, or right. Pick the style that matches your formatting needs, and Word will apply it across the entire document. Word uses fields for these numbers, which means they update themselves as your document grows or shrinks. You don't have to renumber anything manually. Once the numbers are inserted, Word switches you into the header and footer editing view, which is normal. The rest of your document will appear slightly dimmed, signaling that you're working in that header or footer layer. If you're happy with the result and don't need to adjust anything else, you can exit this mode by pressing the S key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can double-click anywhere outside the header and footer area back in the main body of your document, and you'll return to normal editing. That's all it takes. You've now added professional, consistent page numbers using Word's built-in tools, and they'll stay up to date as you edit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.